let's move next. Then next topic which we are going to understand, that generic repository pattern in C#. So Ajay
Pankaj
sir,
sir,
yeah sir.
one question, like uh, as someone said, like we can use a repository pattern in Bell, but we have to use the repository pattern uh, uh, in like between Dell and Bell.
Between controller and database.
Yeah, this is the part of the business access layer, na, between controller and data access layer.
No, repository. As per my understanding, repository pattern separate out the database layer from the other layers.
No, database layer is already defined in EDMX.
Either like
Yeah, database already implemented in Dell folder, right? DAL, I think, or something else.
In database layer.
Okay. So this is the works between.
So business layer is separate and
right.
So anybody is here from outside India? Anyone who joined from outside India today? Hi, Nicole. I think no one from outside India today. Okay. So next we are going to understand generic repository pattern in C#. So again, I'm going to share the same kind of link, and most of the understanding we have already, right? So generic. So first of all, who want to explain me what is generic? Anyone who want to explain me generic? Because now we know the repository pattern, and now we need to understand the generic. Anybody? Gurdas?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Would you like to speak about generic? What is generic? Skin is already in front of you.
In repository pattern, we have to make the repository for different entities. But in case of generic, we have create one common repository, and that common repository we are using for all the entities.
Okay. Anyone else who want to explain about generic?
Gurdaji, what is the generic? Not in the repository pattern.
Generic means we have to create one common functionality. That common functionality we are using for all the entities.
Right.
Common functionality in whole the application.
Like Gurdas want to say that.
Hello.
Yeah, continue.
As per my understanding, generic means which can be replaceable at runtime.
Yeah, reusable.
Yeah, reusable, replaceable, common structure.
Yeah.
But it can be behave in another data type also, in another context also, right?
Right.
So previously what happened? Previously we have created only file repository for employee, right? Suppose now I have 3 repository. One is employee, product, and customer. Then what will happen? I need to create 3 repository for that. If I will follow the previous rule. So what we are going to do here, we are going to create a generic repository. Generic means any kind of data type, any kind of value, any kind of list you can provide here, and it will work as per your requirement. Means sometime you can save the data of student, it will save that data. Sometime you can save the data of employee, it will save the data. Sometime it can be product, customer, or some other entity also, it is going to save if you will implement the generic repository. And generic is also saying one thing, do not repeat yourself. And it is also kind of principle. Means If I will follow the simple design, simple repository pattern, then for this only, I need to write the same logic at 3 times. Maybe I have 100 entities, then I need to write 100 times. So what here we are volatiling the rule of do not repeat yourself principle. And generic is giving the advantage that we can implement the dry principle here. Okay. So what we are going to do here again, we are going to pacify at class level T type. And here we have given a restriction that you can only pass a class. This is a restriction. Sometimes it is an interview question also. The interviewer say that I want to create a generic method, but I want to restrict that only class can pass inside. So for that, how will I do that? This is a way, how will I do that? And again,
Okay, Pankaj sir, means here is T means class. Okay, sir.
T means class, but you can pass here product, employee, student.
Okay. Yes.
Any detail.
Any class, any
it will
class.
class. Okay.
It will class. Okay.
Yeah. Should we move next? Because any doubt here? If you have simple doubt, even though have that question. That's why we are not hiding anything. We are just sharing our screen. We don't want to do any kind of show off. We want to do only a general discussion here. Okay. Let's move then. Then here we are going to provide a repository, the same repository. Little bit will be changes here. We are going to provide here same repository. We are going to inherit same interface with their T type. And here also we are putting the restriction. Only class will come into picture. Here again we have T type. And then most of the things will be same. Only T type is different. Here we have the constructor, two constructor, default constructor, parameterized constructor. And then we are specifying the table. What is the table here? This is the table. Whatever the table you will specify inside T, that will treat as a table. Okay. Whatever the table you will give, that will come inside table. Means your table name will be here. And then rest of the things will be same. And then you can implement here controller, employee controller. You can inherit your generic repository. This is a lazy loading. When request will come, then object will get created. If I will specify this line here, then it will be eager loading. If I will specify here, not in constructor, then it will be eager loading. If I'm specifying inside constructor, means it will get called whenever first time request will come for this controller, then object will get created. This is the beauty of lazy loading. Deepak, you got the answer? Deepak.
Yes, sir. Yes.
If I will specify this line, this new keyword inside here null, then it will be eager loading.
Yes.
If I'm specifying inside constructor, then it is lazy loading. Lazy means lazy. Whenever I will call, then he will get up early in the morning. Otherwise, he will sleep till 12 o'clock.
Yes. Child object will not automatically come.
Ajay sir, this can be a kind of joke also. Lazy means he will not get up early in the morning.
Means on demand.
Yeah, he will sleep all the day. And now the person who is lazy, he is good in our society because of pandemic situation of coronavirus. Right. So lazy person will at home and he will follow the rule of lockdown. But we need to do the work also. And in that situation, we have to follow the eager loading also. So now I hope
Hmm.
everybody have understanding of generic. Right?
Right.
So anybody have any question?
So it is comes under in structure or behavior, sir? Behavior generated.
No, this is different. That is different
Yeah,
one.
this-
Okay.